How's it going? My name is Evan, and in this video, I'm going to show you where to find the best affiliate programs for digital nomads. And as a free gift or a free incentive for sticking to the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing my own ebook on how I've been able to travel for free. And I'll be giving that away for free. So listen to the instructions and I will tell you at the end of this video. So let's get right into it. So we have to have a bit of a base and a foundation for finding the best affiliate programs on the internet. You can just type in Google what best affiliate programs for right now, but we need a bit of a foundation like what I previously mentioned in order to actually figure out which affiliate programs is actually going to be best for either yourself or a friend of yours or travel companions or a big group that you may have if you're in one of those super nice villas in Bali and you guys all want to share on these different affiliate programs. This is the video to start with. So number one is we're going to be starting with our foundation, which is trainings. Oh, didn't want to do that right there. Let's go trainings. So you need to figure out a way to get trained on how to be how to find like the best affiliate programs or even how to be an affiliate marketer in general. So one of the best trainings that I would recommend, and it's completely for free, is the ClickFunnels Affiliate Bootcamp. This is how I first started getting trained in affiliate marketing and to create different affiliate offers and to figure out how to best like find people or where to find different groups within this next component, which is going to be number two. But for this ClickFunnels affiliate program, it's I believe it's called the 100-day bootcamp. And I'm going to leave a link to the affiliate bootcamp down in the description as well as in the comment section down below. So be sure to check that out. And this is kind of the base in learning about affiliate marketing and different affiliate programs that go along with ClickFunnels, and just be aware that ClickFunnels does have its own affiliate program, which is through the affiliate bootcamp as well, which you can also check out through that link as well, because ClickFunnels is a great way to kind of get started with affiliate programming. But first you need to find out, before you even want to do an be a part of the affiliate program for ClickFunnels or anything of that sort, you need to figure out what your niche is. So finding out what your niche is. So this is a really good way to kind of think about it, because you don't want to go on to say ClickBank or another type of affiliate site and just start finding different affiliate programs that are all over the place. You can find one that is just based for travel. You can find one that's just based for like house sitting. You can do a whole bunch of different. There's a million different types of affiliate programs out there, but you have to kind of define what your niche is so that you don't have to make that whole big effort of going out there and creating different offers for different groups of people. You should only have one offer for one group of people. That will make your life way easier and it won't discourage you whatsoever. So a good way to start thinking about what kind of niche that you want to work on as an affiliate marketer, this is a really good phrase that I like to do. So I help blank with blank by blank. So for me, I help digital nomads with affiliate marketing by YouTube tutorials or by different other types of affiliates. So you have to figure out what your kind of niche is and who you're helping. So you have to figure out who you're helping, how are you going to help them, and what are you going to do to kind of help them. So the first thing here is you're finding out. I help you, that's focusing down on who your target is, and then this is the actual issue that they're dealing with as inside of that niche, and then your affiliate program is this last part by blank. So by going back to ClickFunnels, so I help e-com businesses. So I help e-com businesses with their digital funnels. by creating funnels through the affiliate program, kind of. So something along those lines, in order to help give you a bit more of an understanding on your niche and focusing down, because you want to be a specialist. You don't really want to be a general practitioner. So if we look at doctors, for example, doctors like general doctors, they are paid much less than someone who is a focused specialist. So say like a surgeon that's just a brain surgeon, for example, that's a pretty focused niche. So I do surgery just on brains. They're going to be paid a lot more than just a general practitioner of a doctor, because they have a focused down niche. So please keep that in mind when doing that. And then as soon as you figure out this question right here, I'm going to actually just not do that. I'm going to underline this and underline that. So as soon as you create your foundation, as soon as you're able to get that training, so first off, you want to get the training, which is the ClickFunnels Affiliate Bootcamp. Remember, the link for that is going to be in the description and in the comment section of this video. And then figure out what your niche is. So I help blank with blank by doing blank. Okay. So as soon as you figure that, all of this sort of stuff out, now it's time to find out where the affiliate programs are. So this last portion might be really simple, but a lot of people always forget about it. Then Google your niche. Google your niche and affiliate program. So Google your niche plus affiliate programs. So whatever your niche is plus affiliate program. So if I go into here and I type in travel affiliate programs, what's that? Boom. So right here, it's telling me different things for travel affiliate programs. So booking.com is a great one. TripAdvisor has an affiliate, Agoda, Skyscanner, Airbnb. There's so many different ways that you can do it. You can find different affiliate programs. So if I do, let's find let's do cat affiliate programs. So affiliate program Petco, right there, boom. If your niche is cats or whatever it is, there's a ton of affiliate programs right there for you. So I hope that this video is a really good guide and really helpful for where you can find the best affiliate programs as a digital nomad, because the best way is to get paid to go travel. But in order to get paid to go travel, you have to figure out how to do it for free. So that's where I want to give you my ebook on how I was able to personally travel for free. So that's going to also be in the description and in the comment section as well. So you can click on that link, and then you can download my ebook. It's just under 30 pages of very in-depth details on how I was able to get how I was able to travel for free. So it'll go over free flights. It'll also go over free accommodation as well as free transportation, because those are the top three biggest expenses for when you are going to travel. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and that this has created a foundation for you to find out where the best affiliate programs are as a digital nomad. So once again, my name is Evan, and if you found any value from this video, I would greatly appreciate if you did subscribe and like this video, leave me a comment, and leave me a weird comment, like something that has nothing to do with the video, and then I'll reply back with a little heart on top of it. So thank you guys once again for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.